In what?
Negative.
Prepare for battle.
I want to fall on my own. I'm a strong, independent woman.
No, not.
Strong, independent woman to the rescue. That's what you'll hear when both of you are fucking dying. I need assistance from the strong, independent woman. Luke. You know how bored I got today?
How bored?
No.
I made a haiku in Irish.
Leo, you need to have a cold shower.
I had one this morning. Gay marriage, interracial gay couple.
Look, I don't think that's something you can do on Twitch anymore.
Yeah, I can. I'm gay.
Boo.
Yeah, no, boo and interracial gay marriage. I almost said gay marriage.
Interracial gay
I'm a
marriage.
race. I'm gay.
Boo. Bah. That's a race.
Bah, humbug.
Fucking hate.
Twitch won't.
Twitch, don't worry about it.
What if I put that in the video and just
Twitch, worry about it.
Twitch, we're not racist, I swear. We're sexist. We're not racist.
Listen, dude. I am a race. I am a sex. How can I be either?
Oh.
I'm a race and I have cysts.
Does that mean I'm cissist?
Shut up.
If I knew a single thing about thermodynamics, you'd be fucking toast.
If I was sexually attracted to thermodynamics, I'd be fucking toast.
Luke,
I swear that's even fucking worse. Holy crap.
How did you not come up with that? It's genius. Also, very easy to think.
Your thing is gonna get shot out, Luke. Don't be relying on it. Yep. What the fuck? Why is the one on the roof not dead? No, that's not.
The ground is not dead either. He's also shooting Thomas.
Oh, we got each other.
I got one down.
I hit that.
No! I'm down and to the side of the building.
Oh, gotcha there.
But I've gotten the Pathfinder down. And now he's...
They've jumped.
Oh, they're down here, down
Down
here.
one, down one. Oh, I just need to reload. I got him. I don't got him. Right there.
Mario and Luigi Mario are just high on drugs all the time. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
Well, I should have named my Wailmer Hooper.
Boop. Boop. Hey, it's Spitfire. Boop.
Anyway, imagine not realizing a Wailmer transforms into anything like Wailord. And then one day he just evolves. And then he's
Fucking massive.
Oh, fuck. I don't think he's gonna fit in a Pokeball.
There's a problem right next to me.
You're already dead, amigo.
Thomas, do you need help?
I'm dead. I want him
I'm
dead.
part of
I want
Shush.
everything.
Fuck. What the fucking... Help, help, two people.
Oh. That's two.
He
The
just
Octane's in there. The
jumped
Octane is
down
Leo. The
from the
Octane
roof.
is in there.
No, he's got shot, you fucking idiot. Pick me up.
Nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Activating jump drive.
And teleport. Oh no. Okay. Apparently no teleport. I actually haven't played like any.
Let's
of
go.
Gen
There's
8
people
at all.
in this building.
Oh, someone there.
What? Okay. Thanks, Ken.
God, what would fucking Wailord look like when Gigantamaxed?
He's
Large.
huge unit.
He's massive.
So Luke, you know the size of Earth, right?
Have you
know
heard of
the
the moon?
planet?
Let me tell you about the good word of the moon.
Dude, I want a Wailord fucking plushie.
Luke, you know a house can't fit that, right?
I want a life-size Wailord plushie. I'm gonna suck on your toes, boy.
revolvers, more sniper ammo,
Yeah, I'm taking some of this.
shield battery, more sniper ammo.
Really wants bloodhound. Really.
I am the better player.
I apologize. Instantly outclassed. Oh. Down there.
Target there. Shooting at me.
I'll jump over here. Are you proud of me?
Damn it, I gotta reload. That bloodhound has no shields.
It's very bad.
My enemy.
Ooh, I'm getting jelly in my belly. What? Yeah.
Taking
Oh
fire.
shit, ow.
Do you want me to place down my thingy and we can go over and attack them? In the bung town?
No.
Hold on, I need to heal.
Die! Oh shit.
I'm gonna drop this dude.
Shops open for business.
Get the sniper round.
They might come up behind us because they did go inside. So I'm just gonna chill over here.
Yeah, fair.
Ah, better shot.
Where ping him, Luke?
Oh, also, there's people going over to that drop.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sonar.
They're right below us.
Right
Oh,
below.
I almost. Yeah, they're right below us, but there is.
Open supply bin
There is
over
one
there.
down here.
Enemy there.
Down here.
Run.
There is one there.
Enemy that way.
Run, Jimmy. You gonna be
Oh,
good
it's
eating
not.
tonight.
Just about
Thingy.
Reloading.
Welcome to the Shadows population of this
Recharging
dick.
shields.
Oh, hi, Luke. That scared the shit out of me.
Gibraltar's the only one alive.
Don't go there.
Where is he? Where is he? Where
Gibraltar's
is
the
he?
only one alive. He's
Where is he?
inside.
I'm going.
He might be picking some up
I
right
have,
now.
I have,
because
I
Gibraltar,
have,
but
I have death.
they were all down.
Yeah. They all had gold stuff. They all had gold stuff.
Yes, they
Got
did.
the whole squad.
That's a gold Spitfire. Yep. He's a gold Spitfire.
First
and a
down
gold
today.
devotion.
The kill leader.
That was a kill leader.
Oh,
Mobile
this is good
respawn
shit.
beacon. I've got a mobile respawn.
Anyone want this?
Yeah, I don't have
you can
any.
take it, Thomas.
I have a blue.
Yeah, you can
Where is
take it. It's up
Oh,
top,
Luke
I
was
think.
up there.
Isn't
Was
it, Luke?
there
Yeah.
Did someone come up?
Yeah, there was a guy up here.
Oh. Alright, now I'm away. Two of the squads. I have a gold Spitfire. Right.
Boom! Big
Hi.
I'm back up top.
Yeah, I'm coming up. Oh, people in here.
There's an enemy.
Right
Yeah,
here.
come
Yeah.
up, get your
This way, let's go.
Evo.
Too bad.
Yeah, dead.
Reloading.
One of those
Oh,
is
okay.
Got the whole squad.
I'm taking
Only
this
one
shield.
other
Where was the
squad
guy with
left.
the Evo?
And I don't
He's
do
upstairs.
many
He's up
licks.
top. I've pinged.
Oh, yes, I did.
We have one other squad against us. That's it. Oh,
Scope
what?
racer.
Okay.
What?
Here, I'm gonna.
God damn it! I can't get up this.
How can you not get up a rope?
What is that? Okay, screw you.
Why are you pressing A to jump off?
Activating
No.
jump drive.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
I'm letting it auto drop off. Like auto jump off.
See, I got on fine.
Hold on, I need
Oh,
to
there's
heal.
people outside
Oh,
downstairs.
yeah, we're in ring. That's the last people.
Recharging my shield.
Oh shit.
What can bring me down? Oh shit.
Hold on, I need to heal.
Hello there.
Hi, how's it
Oh,
going?
guys.
You probably made a mistake.
You
Badly.
guys are down there. Oh. Well, that's a jump.
Yeah,
pad.
we're gonna come back up. Yeah,
Okay,
look,
yeah.
just run back
Oh,
in. Go
I'm
back up.
outside
No,
the
close it,
field.
close it, close it, close it, close it. Do not do this. Run. Ah, fuck.
I can't see him. I don't have an angle. We kind of have to push out towards them.
No, we do
Get up.
not. Nope.
No, we have to push down around towards them.
Fuck it.
I hear
Get
them.
up.
They're inside.
up, boy.
They're
I
inside.
can't.
Luke, they're inside. Get up now.
That's me.
No,
Come
it's.
No, it is me.
I did, yeah.
It's a lot of loot. A bit heavy. Um,
45
People
seconds
come out.
until the ring closes. We've got time, but not much.
I actually think
Found us.
Sorry. These are literally the last guys in the game. No, sorry.
Enemy here.
2 down.
The last one.
Oh.
Okay.
Take. That was such a
Whoopie Kaya.
You are the Apex champions.
I flanked them.
I did
I did
damage
it.
to one of the last ones. Nice.